Cameron, move over here in the light.
But you can't.
Oh, you're in the
Get
dark.
over here. You try to run, but it's not gonna work. Get over here.
Okay, wait.
You're not going anywhere. Oh, he's getting kind of tired.
Let him come around to this other side.
He's coming. Aiden.
Where's Aiden? Where's Aiden? There he is. Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Where's Uncle Cam? Where's that darn Uncle Cam?
Where's Cameron?
Where's Uncle Cam?
There he is. There he is.
Huh? What's going on? Where's Aiden? Ow!
I tell Celeste every time I
Whoa.
come over here, I leave with my cheeks
1, 2,
hurting
3.
and smiling
Whoa.
so
Oh.
hard. I said I'm getting
Whoa,
wrinkles.
oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh.
You gonna get him, Aiden? Darn it, you're in. Get him, Aiden.
Oh! You're not going anywhere.
Uh-oh, he's tired. Look at him. Oh, no.
Here, give him his milk.
Oh.
And him too. He's doing the same.
Oh, shoot.
Sure.
Okay.